Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Arga Kusumo Hartono from Department of Public Administration, majoring Public Administration, Faculty of Social Science and Political Science, Diponegoro University. How is it going today, guys? I hope that you are in good condition. Okay, here I will present about public administration. First, a table of contents. In 1, definition. Regarding the explanation of the public administration is in detail. Then, purpose and benefit. Inform about what are the benefits and goals of studying and understand public administration. Next, previous series, we can know the beginning of public administration was formed and now the understand previous studies. And the last conclusion, we can know and conclude what is learned in public administration and be able to implement it into life. First, definition. In definition, public administration is a process of cooperation of all state agencies according to an agreed outline for the country. In addition, public administration is closely related to the public state objectives and development administration. That way, we can interpret public administration as a process of carrying out decisions or policies for the benefit of the state citizens or society. We all need to know that public administration, like other administrations, is carried out to serve the public interest. Public administration is the standard for the successful implementation of government tasks and performance through bureaucracy. Public administration is standard for the successful implementation of government tasks and performance through bureaucracy. Public administration, as the prime mover, is also considered important by all actors from the element of good governance. Public officials, civil society elements, and the business world share an interest in improving the performance of public administration, and this is the definition of public administration according to experts. First, the expert one is John M. Fifner and Robert V. Prestes. Public administration can be defined as the coordination of individual and group efforts to carry out government policy. Globally, public administration is the process that deals with the implementation of government policies, decisions, and myriad techniques to give direction and purpose to the efforts of the masses. And second is Dwight Waldo. Public administration is the management and organization of people and their facilities to achieve governmental goals. And second, we have purpose and benefit. In the purpose, public administration has several objectives that are 1. Ensuring public safety properly. 2. Ensuring public welfare is evenly distributed. 3. Ensuring justice for all citizens regardless of anything. To achieve this goal, good cooperation is needed between government, agencies, and all citizens or the community. It is undeniable that the main goal of public administration is to be able to achieve state goals in accordance with wishes of the public. From this, we understand that public administration can participate in determining what development goals are, determining how to achieve these goals. Moreover, those related to public or public service for all Indonesian citizens. Some of the public's desires are security, welfare, justice. Public administration can develop according to the needs of a country and its conditions, with increasingly complex problems in a country. New ways will emerge as solution to this problem as well. That is why the science of public administration develops dynamically according to times, people, and country. Here we have benefit. Benefit number 1, we can know how the public service process is created and run. And number 2, knowing how to create a good government or good governance. Number 3, able to manage an organization policies and human resource in the public sphere. Number 4, the most important thing is how administrators serve or devote themselves to the public with a sense of responsibility and wisdom. And the last is 5, in order to achieve the goals of the state in accordance with the wishes of the public. Public administration is the process of an organization or individual implementing the laws enacted by the executive, legislative, and judicial bodies, especially how the policy process is implemented. Administrators examine a country's constitutional system and everything related to the public, which includes public organization, public policy, public management, and public services. Here, we have previous studies regarding research conducted by Sukri, Idris, and Burhanuddin in 2017, entitled Application of State Administration Ethics in Service Promotions at the Office of the Regional Civil Service and Education and Training Agency in Goa Regency. The purpose of this research was to find out the application of state administrative ethics in promotion services at the agencies, office staffing, and education and training in Goa Regency. Data analysis was performed with descriptive qualitative analysis. And the result of the study is show the application of the employee code of ethics show that there are 3 things related to this, namely loyalty, responsibility, and obedience. Meanwhile, the application of the modality of public ethics shows that there are 3 things related to this, namely accountability, transparency, and neutrality. And second previous study is research conducted by Jumiati 2012, entitled Dimensions of Ethics in the Public Services, Significance, Dilemmas, and their Implications of Public Services in Indonesia. The purpose of this research is to discuss the concept and importance of public service ethics, ethical dilemmas, and their implication for public services in Indonesia. Data analysis was performed with descriptive qualitative analysis. And the result of this study show that public service ethics in Indonesia requires a code of ethics as a means of controlling the behavior of officials and the employees at work. Maturity and ethical autonomy are needed through dialogue towards consensus, as well as protection and incentives for compliance, so that there is an increase in morality in public services. Public administration has many branches including development planning, public policy, administrative reform, state administrative law, public organization and management, human resource management, and many more. And the last one is conclusion. It's number 4. In conclusion, we all know, we can conclude, public administration is a process of all state agencies according to an agreed outline for the country. So, therefore, public administration is closely related to an agreed outline for country, state objectives, development administration. That way, we can interpret public administration as the process of carrying out decisions or policies for the benefit. Public administration has a benefit for government and society. That is can now the service process is created and run. Now to create good government and governance, not to serve of or devote themselves to the public with a sense of responsibility and wisdom. The main goal of public administration is to be able to achieve state goals in accordance with the wishes of the community which are conveyed appropriately and to be able to achieve efficiency and effective work. Security in terms of service, welfare in the administrative section, justice for facilities in various regional and central administration places. And that's all. I'm sorry for bad vocabulary and I have. Hopefully in this session we have a benefit. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.